These are very common grammar mistakes often made by English learners. Even advanced students make some of these mistakes. In this video, I will show you exactly what is wrong in each sentence and correct them, okay? There are 15 sentences here and all of them have preposition mistakes. So we are looking at prepositions. So in each sentence, we identify the preposition and find out what is wrong. Okay? 1. I congratulated her for her success. What is wrong in this sentence? Can you guess? The preposition here is for. This word shouldn't be here. The right preposition should be on her success. When you say, I congratulated her on her success, it means that this is the reason for the congratulations. So we don't say for her success, we say on her success. So when you congratulate someone, use on to express the reason. Okay, this is correct now. 2. She has been waiting since 2 hours. What is wrong here? Can you guess? Since is wrong to use here. We don't say since 2 hours. Since is used to indicate the starting point of something. But in this case, we are not talking about starting point. We are talking about the period of time that she has been waiting. So whenever you are talking about period of time, use for. So for is the correct preposition to use. We use for when talking about period of time, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, and so on. So she has been waiting for 2 hours. If you want to use since in this sentence, you can say she has been waiting since morning. That means she started waiting in the morning. Okay? 3. They divided the class in 3 groups. What is wrong here is the preposition in. In shouldn't be here. They divided the class means that the class was separated. Always use divided into when separating something. We say divided into, not divided in. So into is the correct preposition to use here. They divided the class into 3 groups. 4. He arrived to the airport late. Something is wrong here. This is the preposition to. It is wrong to use it here. He arrived blank the airport late. This is a specific place. When talking about small or specific place, we use at. So at is correct to be used here. He arrived at the airport late. 5. We discussed about the problem yesterday. What is wrong in this one? It is about. About shouldn't be here. This sentence does not need a preposition. Simply say, we discussed the problem yesterday. When using the word discussed, go ahead and mention what was discussed. You don't need about. Okay? We discussed the problem yesterday. So this should be cancelled. 6. My birthday is at December. Do you know what is wrong here? This is very common. At is not used with month. When talking about month and years, we use in to express it. So in is the correct preposition. My birthday is in December. Okay? 7. He insisted to paying for the meal. What is wrong here is to. We don't say insisted to. Instead, we use on. We use on with the word insisted. So we said insisted on, not insisted to. Now, the correct sentence is, he insisted on paying for the meal. On is correct. 8. They accused him for stealing the money. You know what is wrong here? 4. The word accused has a fixed preposition to go with it, which is of. We don't say accused for, we say accused of. Okay? So the correct sentence should be, they accused him of stealing the money. 9. The cat jumped in the table. What is wrong here is in. The cat moved to a surface, which is a table surface. We don't use in for something that has a surface. So in this case, we are talking about jumping. So the correct preposition should be onto. The cat jumped onto the table. So using onto here shows that it moved from somewhere to the table, which has a surface. 10. She borrowed money to her friend. Do you know what is wrong here? 2. If you have watched my video on borrow versus lend, you will know that 2 shouldn't be here. When you are borrowing, you are collecting something. So when you are collecting, it is coming from someone. So we say from. Use from when you are talking about borrow. But when you talk about lend, you use to. She borrowed money from her friend. This is correct. 11. We reached at the station before noon. Do you know what is wrong here? At shouldn't be here. You can simply say, we reached the station before noon. This is not needed in this sentence. Okay? 12. He is afraid from dogs. What is wrong here is the preposition from. When using the word afraid, use the preposition of with it, not from. This is a fixed expression. He is afraid of dogs. 13. I depend on her parents for support. What is wrong here is this preposition, in. We have another preposition, but this one is correct here. So what makes this one wrong is that when you use the word depend, the correct preposition to go with it is on. You don't depend in someone, you depend on someone, okay? We listened music all night. Always add to after the word listen before mentioning what is being heard, okay? So music is what is being heard. You must include to before mentioning it. We listened to music all night. 15. He apologized her for the mistake. In this sentence, something is omitted, just like number 14. Find out the preposition that is omitted and type it in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next grammar class.